In a quiet village, a young girl named Lily was learning English grammar. Her teacher explained that some and any are used for countable and uncountable nouns. Lily was curious and wanted to understand the differences. She thought about the example she had heard. The teacher asked her to imagine a box with apples and money inside. They would help her grasp the meaning of these words better. Lily imagined the box with apples and money. The teacher said, "Some" is used in positive statements to show there is at least a little of something. For example, "I have some money" means she has money, not none. Some can be used for both countable and uncountable nouns. Lily noted down this information, trying to understand the rules of English grammar clearly. Next, the teacher explained any is used in negative and question sentences. He gave her an example, "I don't have any money." This means she has no money at all. "Do you have any questions?" was a question, and the answer could be yes or no. Lily realized any indicates uncertainty or a lack of something, making it important for understanding sentence types. Lily practiced forming sentences with some and any. She started with positive statements, like "There are some apples in the box." She felt confident using some when there was at least a little of something. Then she moved to negative ones, such as "I don't have any apples." It was clear that some didn't fit in these sentences. The teacher explained that any is used in questions. He asked Lily, "Do you have any apples?" She answered, "Yes, there are some apples here." She noticed that any is commonly used in questions to check if something exists or is available. Lily was fascinated by how any can be used in different sentence structures. Lily decided to test her knowledge. She asked the teacher, "Do you have any books?" He replied, "Yes, I have some books." Then she said, "I have some books, but I don't have any pens." The teacher was proud of her ability to apply the rules of some and any correctly in a real conversation. One day, Lily went to a market and saw a fruit seller with baskets of apples. She said, "I have some apples." The seller replied, "I don't have any apples today." Lily could now tell the difference between positive and negative sentences. Some meant she had apples, while any meant the seller had none. This helped her to remember the grammar rules better. After the market, Lily sat on a bench and thought about her learning. She remembered the rules, some 4 positive sentences and any 4 negative in questions. She wrote down these examples in her notebook. Her teacher praised her for her understanding and encouraged her to keep practicing. Lily smiled, proud of her progress in English. Lily told her friends about the grammar lesson. She explained, some is used in positive sentences, like "There are some apples." Her friends asked, "Do you have any questions?" Lily answered, "No, I don't have any questions left." They all laughed at the pun, showing that she was now confident with her grammar knowledge. Over time, Lily became more comfortable using some and any. She began to use them correctly in different situations. When she was at home, she would say, "I have some time to study." Going out, she would ask, "Do you have any more information?" Her confidence grew, and she understood that these words are essential for building correct sentences in English. Her teacher was very proud of her abilities.